I'm Darren, and my daily job for many years was manager of a local government department. But I've recently taken a break and I'm exploring a few other things. And I've done some acting and it's gone really well. So I thought I would explore voice acting a bit more, particularly because I'm often told that I've got a good voice and I should use it a bit more. So I thought I'd do this workshop to see how it goes. I thought the workshop was very informative. I really liked the tutor, lecturer, I'm not sure how you would term him, Martin. He's obviously a very experienced voice artist himself, and I enjoyed a lot of what he said, and it helped me learn quite a lot of things about the industry, and gave me some ideas about techniques that I should be considering. I think the best moment for me was the actual script reading. I really like to get my teeth stuck into a script and then see what you can do with it. And it's the practical side of it that I really like. And Martin was very helpful. When you're reading the script, he will tell you different ways and different techniques that you should be considering when reading a script. And I especially like the bit, which I never really thought of before, where he explained how you need to do it in quite a few different ways, because that's what you'd be expected to do if you got a job in the industry. Yes, definitely. I'm more interested in voice acting than I was before. I don't know if it would ever become a main profession that I'll be doing, but certainly to complement other creative things that I'm doing, I think I'm going to enjoy doing a little bit more voice acting, and this has given me more enthusiasm to do that. Yes, I definitely recommend this class as an introduction to voice acting. You definitely find out very early on whether it's something that's for you, whether you maybe got a talent for it or not. So it's definitely something worth doing if you're thinking of going into the world of voice acting, voiceovers.